So our Mindcuber, well, our Mindstorms will solve our cube. And then
have Anna mix it 2 times.
1, 2.
Good enough?
Now it is very mixed up.
Yes, it is.
Insert cube.
Now, how did it know? How did it know you put that cube in there?
The ultrasonic sensor shoots out light waves, and then and it measures the distance. So when something is as close as the Rubik's cube, then it knows to start.
And what's it doing now?
Scanning it.
Scanning for what?
Scanning the colors of the thing. Oh, now it's solving it. Sometimes it can take a while.